Hi and welcome back to this channel once again. My name is Sadiq, and in this video, by the end of this video in fact, we are going to learn how we can make 10 to 15,000 rupees a month, and we are starting right now, so please do subscribe to the channel. All of us have a camera at home, be it a DSLR or a mirrorless, full frame or a crop sensor camera. We need to have a return on investment. That's what we think, and that there's nothing wrong in it. Why not? If we can earn an extra income out of it, it's always good. There is a lot of potential around us which we do not usually realize. Today, we all order food from Zomato or Swiggy, and it's very frequent. In a week, if you go and check your orders in Swiggy and Zomato, you'll be surprised how much food you have ordered. This is a big market today because every small business, even it's a hand cart on the street today, is on Zomato or Swiggy. They're delivering food, sandwiches, pizza, juices from the hand cart to people's home. This is a huge market. So I'm going to give you some quick examples and ideas how you can quickly start your business on food photography, specifically for Swiggy and Zomato. It is very simple. You must be thinking that I may need an expensive camera gear or prime lens and lights and a lot of things and experience into this. Not required. I'm going to give you a guide from Zomato, which is there on the official site. I'll give you a link. It is very simple. All they need are simple shots. Let me give you a simple example what happened recently. I shot for a client for the food photography requirement. The requirement of two types. One for Instagram and for their website, and the other was for Swiggy or Zomato menu. So when we shot for their Instagram and website, the images were really styled well. We did a nice plating. We kept some ingredients in the background to make it look really relishing. But I was surprised when they told me that for Zomato we do not need this kind of fancy shot. We need simple shots. One is a 45-degree angle, or a front angle, or a flat overlay from top. Basically the food is kept on the table, and this is my camera. I show you some example. This is how a flat lay image looks. No plating, as I said, no fan, no drama, no shusha, no hi-fi stuff, nothing. Only the food as it looks when it is served to the customer. The restaurant will make the food for you. They keep it on the table. All you need a nice background. I'll give you a link to buy those background from Amazon. They hardly cost 400-500 rupees. They come in a hard binding case in which you have 3 to 4 nice background. You can just carry it with you. It's a small investment of 500 rupees. I think we all can do that. So simply keep the food on the background and take a flat overlay shot, take a front angle shot, or maybe a 45-degree shot. You can check the norm in the food guideline photography by Zomato. Another classic example, let me give you so that you think, so if you're thinking that I'm bluffing or I'm kidding or I'm joking or this is not possible. My friend who's into food photography, he was having a pasta on a roadside hand cart. He heard the owner talking to somebody in local language saying, hey, I need somebody to take some nice photos of my products that I have juices, I have pizza, I have pasta, can you help me? So my friend overheard him and he told, hey, I can help you with this because I have a food photographer. He showed him some samples on his mobile phone, and the deal was done. He charged him 5,000 rupees to shoot from 10 to 15 images, shooting, editing and delivering the final product. And that's how he got an assignment. By eating $100 pizza, he earned 5,000 rupees from the pizza guy himself or the pasta guy himself. But that's how simple. You need to be extrovert, you need to be outgoing, you need to keep an eye on the locality where you're staying, where new food joints are coming, where probably people are having a nice hand cart, they're serving cold coffee, they're serving any kind of food, local food. Approach them, tell them that, hey, I can do this job for you. And if you are on Zomato, Swiggy, you will need good quality images, and I can help you with that. What you can do is you can order some food at home, take some shots, and keep it as a sample ready on your mobile phone to show it to people. Just with a kit lens and a camera, you can get going. Now let me tell you about the second best option, or an option at par to earn money from your kit lens and your camera is, we all go to weddings, friend wedding, relative wedding, whatever wedding, and we see a guy, he's standing on the stage taking group shots of people who are coming to the stage to meet and greet the couple. He's earning 8 to 10,000 rupees per wedding just by standing there for 4-5 hours and saying, smile please, shot, and he's taking away 8,000 rupees a month. You can also approach your friends, your relatives, or people you know. You can go to matrimonial, people who have the offices in your city and tell them, hey, I'm into wedding photography, can you please help me get some assignment? And I'm sure once you get a couple of assignment and you do a good job, you are going to get some assignments coming to you on regular basis. This is also a very simple way of earning money. 8,000 rupees for 4-5 hours is not a joke. 8,000 could be someone's monthly salary if you come to think of it. So it is so simple to earn money. You can start doing that now. So please spread the word amongst your friends and family. Put it on your social media. Hey, I've got into part-time wedding photography or food photography. Please contact me for any requirement, and I'm sure you will start getting your requirement very soon. Now I'm pretty sure many of you want to know the pricing. Now the pricing can be very simple. If you're starting off as a beginner, you can charge anywhere between 50 to 75 rupees per shot. But it's not that you're going to go and take 2 shots and come back with 150 bucks. No, you have to have a minimum requirement of at least 15 to 20 shots. That you need to tell your client. You can take couple of angles when you're shooting for Swiggy or Zomato. You can take in fact 3 angles. One is a front flat shot, one is a 45 degrees angle shot, and one is a top shot, which is the flat overlay shot. So of one product you are making 3 shots, and if you're charging them 50 bucks, 150 for 3 shots for one product is done. If you shoot 10 such products, you are earning 1,500, and you can bump up the pricing by say, hey, I'm going to do the editing part, and you can create a package of 2.5 to 3,000. It is easy money, and it is a good way of earning money, a very respectable way. Remember, no job is small or big, so do not think of it that way, that you're approaching people on a hand cart or you're going to a small restaurant or a small joint. You need to earn money, and they need your services. So there is no shame, or there is no feeling of being small and approaching these people. Please do not think of it that way. One more thing, let me tell you here to make it more simpler for you. There are many people who are uneducated and probably are doing a job as a maid or something in somebody's house, and the salary is 3,000, 4,000 rupees a month. After working and slogging for one whole month, they are earning 3,000, 4,000 rupees. By your skill, if you are earning 3,000 or 4,000 rupees per assignment in a half day's time, and if you're doing that for 4, 5, 6 days in a month, you can multiply that amount. You're earning 20,000 rupees by doing a very simple job and an easy job for a few hours. So think of it that way. You can earn a lot of side income. Let me also give you a bonus tip. As you progress and you have done a couple of shoots and you have good photos, immediately open an Instagram account and put your photographs on Instagram, because that is very easy to show people you're on social media. That works a lot mentally to get clients, because they know you have an online presence. It becomes very easy, because at times you may not be able to have your work on your phone, or for whatever reason you need to send a link. You can send your social media link, and as you progress even better, it is important that you also create your own professional website, on which I have made a video saying why a professional website is important. You can also watch that video. I have made a video if you on wedding photography, specifically how to handle client, how much you should charge them, how you should talk to them. I have a video on that. You can watch that video, and another video I have where once you get your business rolling, how to deal with client, how to talk to them, how to plan your shoot. There's another video for that. Please watch that. And if you have liked this video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment box if this video has made any sense, and if you are one of those who are going to implement my strategies.